Let's review some of the concepts we've been over. To draw these basic shapes, we go up to the box command and there's a little arrow on the side that we can pull down on. We use this rectangle by center. It's on the home page. So we can also do that to create shapes, and then we just extrude, and the way we extrude these back to a solid is pick anywhere in this what's called a region. And again, don't pick on the ball, we just want to pick on the arrow. If you mess up, hit the escape key, and then that'll get you out of whatever command you're in. So then you can start again. Remember the undo button right here. If you want to pick more than one region, you can hold down the shift key and get 2 at once or 3. Remember to rotate the model. You want to go and roll the middle mouse button. And all these other commands to pan, to fit, to rotate, they're all down in this lower right hand corner. You can see the fit button, what the fit button does, what the pan button does. And this is something you should go out and try, and we can also zoom in and zoom out by rolling on the mouse. You hold the mouse still and just roll on that. And there's another one, this slider, it's like a slider that you just roll this, and that acts like zoom in, zoom out. If you want to modify the model, you can just pick on a face, grab your arrow, push and pull up and down. Hit the select key first, grab on the face and pull. Now if you want to get out, you can close the program like we've shown you, or you can go up to the little x, not the big X. If you pick on this big X, it'll close the whole program. The little x underneath that just closes out of the program that you're in, the model that you're in. So pick on the X right there, say no save. We've talked about base coordinate systems, how to turn these on and off, how you can use the XYZ coordinate, or you can turn on the larger reference planes. That's a flat surface used for drawing your sketches. And here's how we turn those on and off. Again, if you want to lock onto a plane, you can click on the lock, or when you're on that face, you can hit F3, and F3 does the same thing as locking you to that plane. You can see your draw commands. If you're sketching on one plane, like right now on the XZ, and now you say, well, I'd like to change and sketch on a different plane, you have to turn the lock off, and then you can go pick another sketch plane. So F3 to lock for these draw commands. It's a really good idea to build things around the coordinate system. You should center these parts around the coordinate system. Makes things a lot easier most of the time. And when you go to lock, you do a rectangle, you hesitate right there, and it should show you this little symbol, and that means you've actually locked onto the right thing.